Jada, Dada, Goo Goo, Gaga, and all the nice things we say to young kids when we want to give them something nice to eat. Unyako Jada, Jada, Uena, Nana. Kama stop your mongan. Alaban kana barongo. That's Nikki Kova. Did I say more? Jada or Jada Pinkett Smith, Umamngan, Musadi Wamalume Will Smith has been a hot subject of our public's moral, academic, and feminist discussion for her past actions of choosing to have an entanglement. Kutangana changana, kutof. No, August Alsino, I don't even know the guy. If sleeping and having a relationship with Jada was a move to boost his career, well, it has finally paid off. Those who didn't know him now. Umamani described their relationship as an entanglement. As an entanglement. Entanglement. I mean, it's the act of entangling or being entangled. Like, for example, many dolphins die of entanglement in fishing nets. Like how Jacob Zuma had a baby with Ivan Kosa's daughter. That's a fucking entanglement. Helen Zille is entangled in racism, and Julius Malema is entangled in the VBS. Everyone is entangled in something with someone somehow. We have bigger fish to fry here. Many South Africans are still waiting. People haven't received their share of the 2 billion that was donated to our government, because when it comes to money, our government is always entangled with brown envelopes. They are entangled in the Eastern Cape's motorbike ambulance project. I mean, that's one of those stupid ideas you get after having sex. It's as unclear as petty men wearing Scottish kilts as their traditional dance attire. I'm confused. I'm not a professional critic, but Jada and Alsino, I'm sure they don't give a shit about my opinion. I mean, our president doesn't give a shit about my opinion. Let's focus on what's in front of us. Our phones, social media, where we all get our news. You know why? Because there's no such thing as news anymore. That's just dignified gossip. Journalism is a side gig for journalists. Journalists are now bloggers, radio hosts, TV presenters, and politicians. It's like being a comedian. They spend more time on social media than they do writing their jokes. I mean, news. News are fake and unreliable as Coke and Kingsley's taste. But what's sad about our news is not that funerals are booming and all we see in the news is people telling us that Joburg is cold. Sure, I mean, Joburg is cold. What's sad is that most of us are more likely to go on social media or the web to get updates and news than go on SABC. I'd rather go on Tinder or Grindr just to ask someone I like, hey, what's happening in your hood? I will not go on SABC. Because in the next few years, really, talking about Daily Maverick and The Guardian will be like talking about Face app. Remember that app? That app that made your face look like... You don't remember? The one that Americans claimed it was entangled with the Russians, stealing our personal data, as if their president is not entangled with the Russians. I mean, which app doesn't steal our personal data? Facebook? TikTok? That's good. Just leave a comment. Thank you. Ring.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Papayash.